Alright, so we want to create a chart showing the expenses for the first 6 months of the year. So I need to select the expenses, which I will do here. At this stage, I haven't included the name of the expenses or the total expenses, just the amounts. I now need to select the months to put that in the titles. So I need to hold down the control key and then select January to June. Once I've selected those two ranges, I can then insert and then choose the chart that I wish to create. You'll notice that the months of the year are down here in the legend. Unfortunately, in here we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which we don't want. What should be in there is the name of the expenses. The way to fix that is to go to Select Data, under Chart Tools, Design, Select Data. You'll see that over here we've got January, February, March, showing the range that we've selected. Over here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is what we need to change. So click on Edit, and then we can click on here to then select Raffles through to Equipment. It puts it in this little box here. All we need to do now is hit the Enter key and then OK. And OK again. And you will have your expense title on your chart.